So this is the 4-hour chart for ICP. I don't like this chart at all. I mean, we're holding support. The price has been holding this support area for a long time, but honestly, not much happened since the April low. Now, if you consider that many other charts rallied actually quite nicely from the April low, and this chart really hasn't done anything, it's a bit concerning, yeah. At the same time, I've been saying, I'm not making videos very often or cover this very often because not too much happened, but I've been highlighting that this is really only a corrective rally. So we had 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up. It's just moving back to back in corrective price structures. That can be a triangle, and I'm not even sure if this really is or was a triangle, but it can be labeled as an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, D, E. Lower highs, higher lows, that's what a triangle is. And to be honest, that lower low that formed here is actually not a bad thing. I mean, it's certainly not bullish, but at least it kind of tidied up all the mess that happened after the April low, all of this. So it has a chance technically to rally in an impulse now. It could do that. We have enough waves in place to consider this complete, but there is no low in place until I actually see an impulsive reaction, and we need to get a break above the end of the triangle. So at the very least, $6.12, that would be the next key objective for the bulls. And then we've got here the level just above at 640 would be the next key resistance level above. So this area, break $6.12 to 640, then we can think about that we might get into a recovery. But looking at the nanostructures, while looking at it right now, this is only 3 waves up as well. So it's not done anything that would be in any way different to any of those rallies that we had before. So I think the pressure to the downside here is still very, very high. But obviously we can watch for for a reaction to the upside as long as we're holding that support area. But honestly, I already added the 88.7 retracement at 356. That's already deeper than ideally any chart should go anyway. So yeah, not immediately bullish, but we can still watch for it. Q4 can be bullish for altcoins, but we haven't yet seen that reaction.